Leader of Maoist Communist Party Sapamcha Kangleipan has been brought back to Imphal today. According to sources, he was arrested by a team of Special Cell Delhi Police from Nepal on August 7 last. It may be noted that Maoist leader Kangleipan, the former president of the Manipur Forward Youth Front, was arrested in late 2008 under National Security Act for making a public speech which disturbed peace in the state and was kept at the security ward of the Jain hospital at Porompat following health problem. But Kangleipan escaped from the hospital on the night of December 28, 2008, since he has failed to turn up and report. In view of the upcoming 73rd Independence Day celebrations, the Assam Rifles and Moreh Police have been conducting search operations and keeping strict vigil along Indo-Myanmar border. At around 1:30 p.m. yesterday, one person was apprehended along with 12 packets of brown sugar. The security forces also arrested one person along with 165 grams of contraband drugs worth rupees 4,02,500 in the international market. As the BJP extended its ongoing membership drive till August 20, there are reports that some senior Congress leaders from Northeast have started to show some interest in joining the Saffron Brigade. According to reports, Mukul Sangma and Pawan Singh Katawar are in touch with the top BJP leaders. However, Mukul reacted on social media rubbishing such speculations as misinformation with criminal, maleficent and defamatory intent. A team of Lilong police and commandos arrested 2 drug peddlers along with 168 grams of suspected heroin last night from Nungai village, Lilong in Thawal district. Reportedly, the police team also recovered an auto rickshaw from the duo that was used in transportation of the drugs. Bharat Swabhiman Trust, Patanjali Yoga Samiti Manipur State, along with local clubs and 6 Assam Rifles, jointly conducted a tree plantation program at the premises of 6 Assam Rifles located at Chinga Hills this morning. Attending the program, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchan planted several medicinal plants. Residents of Bishnupur Ward number 4 have been facing shortage of drinking water and electricity since the past 30 years. In this regard, a press meet was held at the locality wherein several residents including senior citizens took part.